Welcome. Today we are going to look into a word problem involving complementary and supplementary angle. And let's look into the question. So the question is saying the complement of an angle is 15 more than twice the angle. Find the angle and its complement. So let's start by annotating. I am going to underline what is it that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the angle and its complement. So it seems that I need two pieces of information. Then what is given to me? I'm given the complement of an angle is 15 more than twice the angle. So I'm given this piece of information and let's try to do something with it. Well, let's see. What do we know? We know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So it seems that I have angle 1 plus angle 2 should give me 90. And so I don't know what both angles are. And so usually in algebra, what do we do for something that we don't know? We use an x. So the angle is really x. So I'm going to put down the x here. And let's translate the 15 more than twice the angle into numerical form. So 15 more really means 15 plus, what is twice the angle? It's really 2x, okay? So now it looks like we have an equation. So let's try to combine like terms and solve for x. Now it's basic algebra. You're going to combine x with 2x. When you combine both of them, you get 3x. So let's write that down, 3x. And then I have plus 15 equals to 90. All right, so now what do I need to do? I need to solve for x. So I'm going to get rid of the 15 by doing minus 15 on the left side. And whatever I do on my left side, I gotta do on my right side as well. So minus 15. And what happens when you take away 15 from 90, you end up with, well, here I would end up with 3x. And 90 take away 15 gives me 75. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to have the x by itself. So how do I get rid of the 3? I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I divide this by 3 and this by 3. All right, so my 3 would cancel out, and I'm left with x equals 75 divided by 3 gives me 25 degrees. Okay, so that is my value for x. Okay, I'm going to highlight the angle, and its complement is what we need to find out. So we found out the angle right now, so I'm going to highlight x equals 25. But we're not done because we need to find its complement. So for that, what do we do? Well, we're going to use substitution. So I'm going to substitute. Substitute x equals to 25 into, what's it? 15 plus 2x. So let's do that right now. 15 plus 2 times 25 is really saying 15 plus 50, which is 65. And let me just make it bigger so it's nicely visible. Okay, so if you, and so that's really, the complement is 65 degree, but how can I check it? And that's always a good idea to check your answer. I'm going to add angle 1 and angle 2 to see if I do get 90 degrees indeed. So 25 is my angle plus its complement, which is 65, and I end up with 90 degrees. And that's about it. So if you want to look into something like that visually, let's say if I have this. And let's say I have a line going like this. I'm just going to make it like this. Okay. So what we're saying is really perhaps this is 65. Okay. And then the other angle is, which was unknown to us, was 25. So this is really what's going on here. And so you'll see similar problems involving supplementary angles. Okay, and just we know that supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. And that will be it for now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until next time, goodbye.